In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can change the currency on your Editor X website. As you can see right now, I'm in the Editor X dashboard of my site and this is how it looks. And in order to change the currency, we want to go to the search bar and type in region just like this. So we have region settings, edit your site's regional settings. That's what we want to do. And as you can see here, we have the settings we can change. We have the region, the time zone, everything like that, and also the currency, and that's what we want to change here in this video. So we can go ahead and change this and type in US dollar, for example, or Australian dollar, and we can hit got it. And as you can see, now it is set to Australian dollar. Now you of course want to save this, and as you can see, now our changes are saved and we have successfully changed the currency. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.